Welcome to the introduction of the allure of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, it's a buzzword, a dream, a potential goldmine. But what is it really? In essence, it's about connecting people with products they'll love. You, the affiliate marketer, act as a bridge, recommending products and earning a commission on each sale. Sounds simple, right? Well, it can be, with the right approach. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, but about building a sustainable business, fueled by passion and smart strategies. Think about it. Have you ever recommended a product to a friend, raving about its benefits? That's affiliate marketing in action on a smaller scale. Now imagine amplifying that, reaching thousands, even millions with your recommendations. That's the power of affiliate marketing, and you can harness it too. We'll guide you step by step, demystifying the process and empowering you to create your own success story. No matter your background, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Are you ready to unlock the world of affiliate marketing and build a thriving online business? It's all within your reach. Let's get started. Now, on to step 1, choosing your niche. Passion meets profit. The first step is crucial. Choosing your niche. This is the foundation of your affiliate marketing journey. It's about finding the sweet spot where your passions and market demand intersect. What are you genuinely interested in? What do you know a lot about? Maybe it's fitness, travel, technology, or personal finance. Explore different areas and see what resonates with you. Remember, your niche should be something you're excited to learn about, share, and promote. If you're passionate about your niche, it will show in your content and resonate with your audience. Think about it this way. If you're not interested in the products you're promoting, how can you expect your audience to be? But passion alone isn't enough. You also need to consider market demand. Is there an audience for your chosen niche? Are people actively searching for information and products related to it? Conduct research, analyze trends, and see if there's potential for profitability. Tools like Google Trends can be invaluable for this. Choosing the right niche is about finding that perfect balance between your passions and market opportunities. It's about building a business you'll love while ensuring its potential for success. Moving on to step 2, building your platform, a home for your audience. With your niche chosen, it's time to build your platform. This is your online home, the place where you'll connect with your audience, share your expertise, and promote affiliate products. There are various options, each with its own strengths. You could create a website, start a blog, build a social media presence, or even launch a YouTube channel. Consider your niche and your strengths. Are you a gifted writer? Then a blog might be ideal. Are you a natural storyteller with a knack for visuals? YouTube could be your calling. Choose a platform that aligns with your skills and allows you to express yourself authentically. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to start building. If it's a website or blog, choose a user-friendly platform like WordPress, customize it to reflect your brand, and start creating high-quality content. For social media, focus on building a strong profile, engaging with your followers, and sharing valuable content. Building a platform takes time and effort, but it's a crucial investment in your affiliate marketing success. This is where you'll cultivate a loyal audience, establish your authority, and ultimately drive conversions. Section 4, Step 3, selecting the right affiliate programs, partners, and success. Now comes the exciting part, choosing affiliate programs that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. There's a vast sea of affiliate programs out there, each offering different products, commission rates, and terms. Your goal is to find programs that are a good fit for your brand and offer genuine value to your audience. Start by researching popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. These networks offer a wide range of products and programs, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Explore different categories, browse products, and compare commission rates. But don't just focus on the numbers. Consider the quality of the products, the reputation of the company, and the support they offer to affiliates. Choose products you genuinely believe in, products you would recommend to a friend. Authenticity and trust are paramount in affiliate marketing. Selecting the right affiliate programs is about forging partnerships that benefit both you and your audience. It's about finding products you're proud to promote, products that will truly enhance the lives of your followers. Section 5, Step 4, crafting high-quality content, your voice, their needs. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. It's the bridge that connects you with your audience, builds trust, and ultimately drives conversions. Your content should be informative, engaging, and tailored to the needs of your audience. Think about what your audience is searching for, what problems they're facing, and what solutions you can offer. There are many forms of content you can create, each with its own strengths. Blog posts, articles, videos, social media updates, infographics, ebooks, webinars. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different formats and see what resonates best with your audience. Always prioritize quality over quantity. It's better to have a few stellar pieces of content that provide real value than a sea of mediocre ones. Invest time in research, crafting compelling narratives, and presenting information in a clear and engaging way. Use visuals, storytelling, and personal anecdotes to make your content relatable and memorable. Creating high-quality content is about showcasing your expertise, building trust with your audience, and ultimately positioning yourself as a go-to resource in your niche. It's about creating content that not only informs, but also inspires action. Section 6. Step 5. Driving traffic and building trust relationships matter. You've chosen your niche, built your platform, selected affiliate programs, and crafted compelling content. Now it's time to get that content in front of your target audience. Driving traffic and building trust are essential for affiliate marketing success. You need to attract visitors to your platform and nurture them into loyal followers who trust your recommendations. There are numerous ways to drive traffic to your content. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for getting your website or blog found on Google and other search engines. Social media marketing allows you to connect with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Paid advertising can give you a boost, especially when starting out. But traffic alone isn't enough. You also need to build trust with your audience. Be authentic, transparent, and genuinely helpful. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and address their concerns. Offer valuable content that goes beyond just promoting products. Build relationships, not just transactions. Driving traffic and building trust is about creating a thriving community around your brand. It's about fostering connections, providing value, and ultimately earning the trust of your audience so they're receptive to your affiliate recommendations. Section 7. Conclusion. Your journey to affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous learning, adapting, and refining your strategies. It's about building a sustainable business that thrives on your passion, creativity, and commitment. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and never stop learning. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and perseverance. But with the right approach, the right mindset, and the right tools, you can achieve your goals and build a thriving online business. As you embark on this exciting journey, keep these key principles in mind. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Build a strong platform. Select high-quality affiliate programs. Create compelling content, and focus on driving traffic and building trust. The world of affiliate marketing is vast and full of opportunities. It's time to take the first step. Embrace the challenge and start building your own success story. Are you ready to unlock your potential and turn your passion into profit? The journey awaits.